In this video we'll see how we can customize process templates. So I'm in this Azure AZDO org, and in our last video we created all these projects. So if I go to, like, let's say one of the projects in CMMI project, while creating this project we have selected this process, right? And let's say if we want to change this, for CMMI project we are getting these many work items, right? Now let's say if we change our mind and if we want to change the process, then we can still do that. So in the processes, if we come to projects, here we have CMMI project, and here if we click the change process, and now if I select basic, then this project should get the new process template. Now if we go to our CMMI project, now here we have in project settings, if you see, now it is following the basic process template. Okay, now if you see, here we got only 3 new work items as per the basic process template. Now let's say by default we are getting only these 3, right? Now let's say if we want to add more, or we can for example, while creating a new project, if I go to advanced, we are getting only, let's say we are getting only these 4, right? Let's say if we want to create our own custom template, then we can do even that. So if we go to organizations and process here, and here now since these are logged, what we can do is we can extend this to create inherited process, and we say basic plus. Okay, now we have this basic plus. Now if we go to this, okay, I click this one, and here we are having, like, by default epic, issue and task, right? We can create a different work item, let's say feature. Okay, for feature we can give some any icon, let's say this yeah, this can be better, this better, and green is okay. Okay, now if we go here, we got the feature also. Now if I go to my organization and go in the new project section, here we got basic plus also, right? If I create basic plus, so now we chose the basic plus process template. Now if I go to this, here we got epic, feature and task. So by default when we were choosing basic, this was not there. Now we have these extra work item. So we can do like so many changes to this one, so we can customize as per our requirements. For example, if I come here, let's see what else we get. Feature, we can define even rules also. For example, while creating a required just a name, we don't want if we do not want to allow any work item to be created, okay, when a work item is created, we want to make it as a required. What do we want to make it as a required? We want to make description as a required one. So this rule says like you cannot create a work item without description. Okay, now I have saved this rule. Now let us go back to basic plus. Now let us go ahead and create one task. Let us see. Task 1. Seems it has not worked. Now let us go and check what is the issue. There are so many options which we can explore based on our requirements. Now let us go and check this feature. Okay, we added this to the feature 1, so let us try the feature 1. New feature, feature 1. You see, this save is not enabled for me because it says description is required. So let us give some random text here, and now it has allowed. So with basic with custom process template, we can customize as per our requirements. We can add more work items, we can add some rules, and there are so many options which I highly recommend to explore. Okay, I think thank you for your time. That's it for this video. In next video we'll explore some more topics. Thank you so much.